Hey everybody. So I came home from work a little early today. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. And I decided that I wanted to work on a project. My overflow container here doesn't have a cap. And I don't know where to buy a specific cap to fit that. So I'm going to have to make one. That's the way my brain thinks anyway. When I got the Rambler from Dad, it had this piston shifter head on top. Now, of course, some of you may remember that I've replaced that piston shifter head with a piston from a 41 flathead Mercury. It's bigger, it has more meaning, there's a story behind it. This right here, I think Dad has used for various projects. It's got some JB Weld on it and it's kind of stuck in place. I think there's some super glue in there maybe holding it. What I'd like to do is I'd like to take all this metal right here out, maybe with a drill, maybe with a Dremel, and use it for a cap. Now I've looked at the size of this. The circumference would fit it nicely. And I think that'd look kind of cool sitting there as a cap. I don't know if it would work. I don't know how much work would be involved in hollowing this out, or if I'm just wasting my time. If only I think it's cool and everybody else is thinking that's stupid. But I don't know. I've kind of been thinking about this for a while. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes it's all about having the right workspace. You notice I got me a comfortable chair. Maybe I can put on a glove so I don't get metal flake all over me. Yeah, those are dirty. Get a clean glove. Cleanish. Yeah. Maybe I could put something in my lap so the stuff doesn't get all over me. But so I can still be lazy and sit there and just go to town. James Brown, what do you think? Let's see. Boy, this is just about as good as it gets right here. Yep, I can see it now. It's all gonna happen. Alright, let me get to work. So that's looking pretty good. I got one side completely undone. I'm gonna start working on this other side. But this little cloth thing is working good. And the gloves are necessary because this thing's getting warm. But just want to show you the progress. Alright, so I finally got it out. Not bad. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. But now that it's out of there, you can see the head of this thing is down to nothing. It's all smooth. I'm gonna have to change that out with something else to grind the rest of this. Woo. The cloth was a good idea to put on me. Well, let's see. With this top, I wonder, will it even fit on here? Oh, it will. Is that cool or is that stupid? I guess that's the question. That is the question. Is it cool or is it stupid? It looks like I only need to go down another ½ an inch. So, let me see what else I got to grind with. I got a bunch of little tools in here. Let's see what I can tear up. Yeehaw.